Welcome to another episode of MasterNodes Monday, presented by MasterNodes Pro. I'd like to start off by giving a shout out to 3D Coin, Rupaya, and Zenith for renewing their listing with us this week at MasterNodes Pro. We appreciate that you guys have decided to continue your partnership with us. Thank you so much. On April 16th, Coinbase made the move into proof of stake with Tezos. How does this affect the MasterNode community? Well, it's the start of adoption of proof of stake into the major crypto platforms. Hopefully, this will lead to coins like Pivx, Dash, Ion, and MMP Coin being available on the Coinbase platform. Say hello to GameGrid by Ionomy. It lets developers focus on games, while crypto experts simplify integration and bring more people playing. If you're a developer, there is a sign-up form to start beta testing GameGrid. In the meantime, everyone can check out the link to the article to see a GameGrid preview. We want to congratulate ESPC, a cryptocurrency betting platform, for getting listed on the #1 market cap listing site, marketcap.pro. Check out their stats in the links provided below. A new website for Collegiate Coin is going to be live soon. They have new features that they will be adding to the wallet, along with increased MasterNode collateral. Better return rates, am I right? Keep an eye out for the new wallet release coming soon as well. You can join their Discord to keep up with all of their latest announcements. StakeNet has made progress on their roadmap this week. They have a live roadmap you can look at, divided into 2 categories, Merlin and Viper. One focuses on the network level and the other on consumer end products. They will be updating that roadmap weekly, so you're able to keep an eye on their progress. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share these videos. We love to hear from you. We post new videos every Monday. We'll see you guys next week.